As you've seen, I already took all the batteries apart from both laptops. The blue ones here um, came out from the HP, and the red ones came out from the Dell. So these are the batteries. This is why um, the laptop batteries normally die because of discrepancy on voltage on each battery, and it has the BMS built into it, which I think it was doing a good job, but I don't know what happened. They failed because of discrepancy, and because of that, the voltage drop is the battery or the charger has to see a certain voltage on the battery to trigger the charge, just like a car battery. If the battery passed, let's say, for example, a 12-volt battery, car battery, if the voltage dropped more than 10 volts or something like that, or 10 volts or below 10 volts or whatever, and it can't able to initiate the charge at all. So this is what happens. So you can see 4 batteries. So you might probably ask why, but I already have the 2 batteries. You can see here the voltage discrepancies, and you can see what 2.7 volt on 2 batteries, 1.7 volt. And what I did, I have these other ones be on the charger, or the voltage was kind of lower. I suppose they were 2.3, and it has been going, I think, supposedly at 1600 hours yesterday, and it has been there all night. And this is one of my chargers I had on my ultrafire flashlight. So these are almost batteries that they run. But for some reason, I don't know if the batteries for the laptop, they have more amp hours, because the ones I'm using, I think, is 2800 milliamp or 2500 milliamp on my flashlight, which is ultrafire, 3.7 volts, something like that. And I don't know if this batteries has a lot of power into it for the laptop, that because the total package here, because each battery is supposed to be about 6 cells on the laptop or the notebook, and it's supposed to give you approximately 66 watt hours. 66 watt hours. So if you divide it, it's gonna be approximately, was 54, around that, 54 or 52 or 54 milliamp hours. 5400, excuse me, I think it's 54 or 5200 milliamp hours. So it gives me a total of 66 watt hours. So these are not just any regular batteries, these are Samsung batteries. So hold on, let me show you. As you guys see now, this is the I don't know, is a 30A, is a 30 amp. I don't believe so. That's not what it meant. But for you guys that have already dealt with the 18650 batteries, you know more than I do. These are Samsung batteries, and I think, I don't know if it's the I don't know, it was the date or whatever. But guys, this is gonna be my first time I'm gonna be utilizing or messing with 18650 batteries. Probably these are not 1850s; they are the higher ones, because for a laptop. But tell me what you think. So since I have a low a charger that does not charge really fast, but for my batteries I normally use for my flashlight, it can charge it just for hours, but sometimes I plug it before I go to bed. In the morning it's already lit up green. But this has been going since 1600 last night, and up to now it's still going. I meant 1600 in the evening yesterday, no, last night, in the evening yesterday. And guys, I'm just trying to elaborate here about batteries. Let's take you back to the other ones for the Dell. Well, guys, these are the discrepancies on the Dell, that the batteries fail on that particular laptop, and you can see is a 1.6. This is the highest one I've seen, which is a 3.3 volt. I checked the voltage and I just took them out and measured the voltage right away. And you can see the other ones here is a 3.5. So practically, these 4 batteries here, they tend to be almost in a good shape or okay. If they would have maintained the same voltage, the 3.5, the 3.3, without having these two discrepancy on these two, I think the laptop would have still functioned. But what I was gonna do, I was gonna just dissect this one and remove them and replace them. But the problem is, if I decided to replace the batteries I would have been in a big trouble. The reason why I was gonna be in trouble is I don't know, for the HP mini laptop, I know they are Samsungs, the blue ones right here. Okay, these ones, they're unmarked. They don't have anything on them. So I don't know what kind of batteries are those, but since it's a Dell, is claimed to the manufacturer is Japanese, from Japan. So this is the problem here, guys. I would have replaced these ones. Well, I don't want to do a mix match because I don't even know the voltage on these. I don't even know what's the amperage of it. So the discrepancy would have been so much trouble. I would have just got the information on these batteries and having them replaced, okay, with the same specification, and built my batteries and put it back. So I don't have to buy a new battery. But looking at it in the other way around, sometimes you can buy these batteries really cheap. You can buy maybe 50 or 100 of them. Like go into my big battery or battery hookup, and you will get these batteries really cheap. And I have my affiliate link, which I'm going to put on my description below, and go there and click on that one, and that will give me leverage. Anytime you buy, I'm going to have a certain percentage so that I can able to bring you content like this, because this is going to be my first time putting my hands into 18650 batteries, and you guys want to see what's going to happen. This one is trying to drag me into the BMS system, which I'm not ready for doing any BMS system. You guys have seen my videos. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Well, guys, this is the dissected Dell battery I took from the the Dell laptop. So you can see it's approximately 11.1 volt, and it's a 48 watt hours, which is these red batteries. Okay, they are 48 watt. So this little guy, the HP, has more capacity, which is 66 watt hours. So look at that. This battery is assembled in Japan somewhere. I had it. Okay, I think it's gonna be right on the corner right here. If I can able to, it will let me zoom. See that? Japan. Right there. So I just ordered. I decided what I did, instead of going all the fiasco, I ordered a new one, which is cheaper. I got this one cheaper, and probably I would have spent more on these ones and more work, soldering and all that stuff. Let me show you the HP pack here. Oh, before going further, let me show you the BMS. This is the BMS they have inside the Dell battery, and you can see all the bus bars here. I already just I destroyed it. I shattered it. I'm sorry, Mr. Scientist or scientist in Japan, for destroying your technology you work so hard for, which is not my intention. But destroying things is very, very, very easy. So you can see a chip right here with all kind of little capacitors or resistors or diodes or whatever you call them. And I'm not much into circuitry, but this is what it is. This is the one that is responsible to regulate the charge on the battery to keep it healthy for some reason, and it failed. And we have some problems with the few of the batteries. So the tech gurus that really want to know how this battery is, for the sake of it, I'll film this one for you and see this. Mind you guys, this video might probably a little bit longer. It's already past 10 minutes. But if you're interested into the 18650 batteries, live here at the JW Solar USA, this is my first dissection or on the lithium batteries here to do a video for you guys. Speaking about casing here, this is what I was telling you guys. This is my HP Mini HP Mini something 1503, something like that. This is the battery. You can see it's a notebook battery, and I'm gonna show you the watt hours. They are all 11.1. Remember, on this one is 11.1 as well. I can prove it to you. See, that's the type of battery. When you want to buy it, you want to make sure you get the J1KND. Okay. And let's check this one here. My HP Mini is 11.1, is a 66 watt hours. See that? And they're all, so this is what they want you to replace with the HP, the spare. And it's a 2011, the 3rd, March 3rd, 2011 was, I think, was manufactured. So they want you to replace this. So guys, this is what it is. These are the batteries I dissected from the both laptops. And I suppose I still even have the BMS for this. Oh, yeah, it's here. Hold on. Oh, what I did, I took it, make sure I stick it inside here because I want to show you guys. I want to make a video so I can show you how it is because a lot of you guys want to know. Aha. Well, this is what it is. See? I had it, and hold on. All right, guys, this is the control board for the HP. And you can see that's a module right here, and this battery is so cool. I like that. And look at the board, look at the size, and compared to this, which is just 48 watt hours, and look at this, which is 66 watt hours, and they're all running the same voltage. Look at all these stuff right here, how big they are. Look at all this one, so tiny. And the good thing about this board, oh, okay, it has another big one too, just like this one here. Okay, it has that here, and this one even have a little bit bigger stuff. Okay, so the thing again I like about this board here, it has a battery tester. You push that orange button right here, it lit up. It tells you the battery capacity or the state of charge of the battery, and when about to operate your laptop or whatever, your notebook. So this is the notebook, and this is the Dell. Look at that, 48, and look at this one here, 66 watt hours, and look at the boards. So I decided to save them so I can able to show you guys the difference between these two and what I was trying to do and what I was trying to accomplish with these 18650 batteries. Whatever is this, maybe it's a 18650, I don't know. But this is the first batteries here live at the JW Solar USA. If you're just tuning in, make sure you like and subscribe. And this is one of the function I like about this thing, really. That's the button right here. When you push this button, excuse me, it will lit up all the way to tell you the state of charge, just like you have in a meter. And that's being said, this is the meter. Excuse me. This is the meter right here. that was embedded into this. Let me flip this guy here, and it was like this. Okay, that little orange goes to that button right here, show the battery indicator, and this light's gonna just illuminate. But guys, I don't know, I wish I can able to do this, but use this as a tester. But maybe because a ribbon cable, they run through all these controls here, that's gonna probably compromise what I was gonna do. I was gonna use it as a state of charge. I know, so a lot of you guys that know how to do circuitry stuff, and you can able to get this guy running wired it, then I can able to use it as a portable, like if you want to do like for bicycle batteries, you want to make sure electric bike or maybe a small project, you want to have your state of charge, you can able to utilize this. I don't know how, I don't know, so I'm not into those kind of tinkering or a little bit or tiny little bit stuff like that, because I don't have time for that. I'm always busy doing stuff. So this is what it is, guys. This is what it is. Live here at the JW Solar USA. Our first battery we just dissected live here. And trust me, guys. And we are heading to a different project here, which I'm not ready for. I'm not ready for it, because it's just too much to do. Too much to mess around with, too much to goof around with, and I don't even have time, and I don't want to start with something that I'm not going to be completing. But I just, because I ordered new batteries for these laptops, I just want to make sure that I got the thing. Instead of throwing it like this, I can recycle them. What I'm gonna do, stay tuned, because there's gonna be a series of videos coming up. What I'm gonna do, what JW is up to, where this is gonna take JW, and what he's gonna do, what he's gonna manage this stuff. So guys, stay tuned for that. See the other two on the corner by the wall. The charger is still running, and I don't even have charger. Like I said, it's gonna be a long process, and I have to do some kind of little digging what to really use to charge these batteries. And I have new chargers coming of the same for my flashlight, and I ordered some two flashlight. Like each flashlight comes with two batteries and with a charger on it, so I might utilize that, take advantage. But it takes forever, because I think these batteries are so powerful, and it takes a lot of guts to charge them. All right, stay tuned, and like and subscribe. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA, new battery project.